Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can pin any app in your taskbar. Like here you can see this is my taskbar and I can pin any app here if I want. I already pinned this remote desktop connection and I pinned this. So now I am going to show you how you can do. Let me show you one thing. You open your start menu and then select any app like from here, and if you want to, like if I want to pin this Brave browser to my taskbar, I need to click on right click on this app and then I can pin it to start more. You need to go more and then here you can see pin to taskbar. Click on this pin to taskbar and this Brave will be here. You can see this is already here. By this way, if you want to pin this calculator to the desktop bar, taskbar bar, you can do it by like this way and click on right click here and then more and then pin to taskbar, and this calculator is on your taskbar. So how you can unpin it? Just right button on this and click on unpin from taskbar. If you want to pin to taskbar this Firefox, just right click on this and then go more and click on pin to taskbar. It will be here. So this is the way you can pin any app to your taskbar, and if you want to unpin, just right click on it and then unpin from taskbar. I hope this video will help you, and from after watching this video you can pin any app to your taskbar yourself. Thank you for watching my video. If you think my video is helpful, you can comment, like, share. Also you can subscribe my channel. If you need any more tutorial, you can comment in my video so I can know which topic you want to, so I can make a video. Bye.